How do I switch from e-filing to file by mail on Jackson Hewitt? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to jacksonhewitt.com and press enter. Then click on login option and then select my JH account. Over here, you will have to enter your credentials, enter your username or email ID. Then you want to enter your password and click on the sign in option. If you are new to this, click on create your account. After your account has been created and you have been logged into your account, if you want to switch from e-filing to file by mail, it is a very simple process. For some reasons, if you cannot e-file your tax return, you're going to need to print it and mail it instead. For security reasons, Jackson Hewitt is not able to mail your return to you or the IRS. If you don't have a printer, you can print your tax return at a library, a print and a ship store, or a friend's home. Before you print, make sure Adobe Reader is installed on the computer. This is because you're going to need it to print your return. Most computers already have it. Now you want to click to open your return. After the screen loads, select File. When you get to the e-file screen, click Change and select File by Mail. Follow the instructions and your return will open in Adobe Reader. You can print from here or save a copy to print from another computer. If you face any difficulties while switching from e-filing to file by mail, you can contact the customer support of Jackson Hewitt. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.